Hello everyone, this is Sivaram and I love to cook. Today I'm going to make a flavorful couscous. Couscous is one of the most convenient Mediterranean pantry staples and it makes a great side dish in a snap. I like my couscous extra fluffy and packed with flavor. I want to infuse couscous with flavors right off the bat, so I use broth, either vegetable or chicken broth instead of just water. I add cumin seeds as well to give that spice bite. I prefer to eat it with a tagine, recipe of which is posted in another video. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Add the cumin seeds. Do hit the subscribe button and the bell button to be notified of all new videos being posted. There's spluttering. So now we add the couscous. We brown it up a little bit so that we get an earthy, nutty flavor from the couscous. Do not over brown it, just a slight browning is required. Now that it's browned, we would move it aside and keep it, and now we go to the broth. The proportion in this is for every half cup or every 1 measure of couscous, it's 1 measure of broth, whether it is vegetable, chicken, or you're just using water. But for flavor, I generally use broth. We add 2 tablespoons of olive oil and salt to taste. Mix it, bring it to a boil. So we add the couscous. We give it a good mix. Switch off the flame. We cover it and leave it for 15 minutes. So now the couscous should be ready. Let's open and check it out. You see, it's all fluffy and no clumps. This is how the couscous should be.